Chapter 6. Java Programming with Bluej. Bluej is basically an IDE integrated development environment that allows you to write a program, store it and run it. The Bluej project started in the year 1999 by Dr. Michael Olcoling and Professor John Rosenberg at Monash University in Melbourne, Australia as a successor to the Bluej system. In this chapter you will learn programming in Java by using Bluej. Starting Bluej. To start Bluej, simply double-click on the Bluej icon on the desktop. The Bluej start screen appears. After a few seconds, the Bluej working environment window will open. Writing a Java program. To write a Java program, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the project menu. Switch P2. Click the new project. The new project dialog box appears. Step 3. Enter the project name in the folder name text box. Say sample and finally click on OK button. The project folder is created with the name sample. Switch P4. Now, click new class on the Bluej sample window. The Bluej create new class dialog box appears. Enter the class name in the text box, say message and click OK. Switch P5. The class, named message, is created and its icon appears on the Bluej sample window. Step 6. Double-click the class icon, message. A sample program is displayed. This program is only there to provide assistance to the user. Select the complete program either by dragging the mouse or by using Ctrl+A keys and delete the program by pressing delete or backspace key. Now, you are ready to write a new program. Step 7. Type your program on the blank screen. Step 8. After completion of your program, click on Compile button. If no error is found in the program, a message will appear on the screen at the bottom pane as class complied, no syntax errors. Now, your program is ready for execution. Close the window by clicking the Close button. The Bluej window will appear. Right-click the class icon and click Void Main to execute it. Switch P10. A method call window appears on the screen. Click OK. Step 11. A terminal window appears showing the output of the program. Note, you can press Ctrl+K to compile a Java program. Remember, if you want to do some editing in a program, double-click the class icon. The program appears on the screen. Make changes and recompile the program. If no syntax error is displayed on the screen, it means the changes are correct. Close the window and proceed for execution. Description of different lines of the program. Now, let us understand the program written under step number 7. Data type, description. 1. It is a comment line. Anything written after is regarded as a comment. 2. Description of the class, public class message. Here, public keyword is optional. System by default takes class to be public. 3. Starting of class block with opening bracket. 4. This is the main method of a Java program. Any Java program will begin its execution from the main method. The keyword, public, indicates that it has no restriction. The word, static, allows running the program and void means main doesn't return anything. 5. Starting of main function block with opening curly bracket. 6. This is the executable statement to display the message on the screen. 7. End of the main class with closing curly bracket. 8. End of the class block with closing curly bracket. Remember, each Java statement ends with a semicolon. Comment statements in Java programming. The Java comment statement is a non-executable statement used to provide information or explanation about the program logic. The content of the comment statement is ignored by the compiler. There are 3 types of comment statements in Java. Single line comment. The single line comment is used to comment only one line. Syntax comment. Multi-line comment. The multi-line comment is used to comment multiple lines of code. Syntax comment. 3. Document comment. The documentation comment is helpful for you when you would want to add some info about the program that can be used for automatic generation of program documentations. Syntax comment. Output statement is Java system. Out. Print or system. Out. Println is a standard output statement in Java which is used to get the output of the program. System. Out. Print statement displays the output of the program on the screen but cursor remains on the same line. System. Out. Println statement displays the output of the program on the screen in different lines. Examples: class first, public static void main, string args system. Out. Print hello, system. Out. Print Java, class first. Public stack void main, string args system. Out. Println hello, system. Out. Println Java. Errors in Java programming. Errors are small mistakes that affects the output of a program. Errors are also called bugs. The process of detecting errors in the program and correcting them is known as debugging. Generally, there are three types of errors. Syntax error, when the grammatical rules of a programming language are violated, an error that occurs is called a syntax error. Some of the most common syntax errors are given below. Wrong spellings of keywords. Missing terminator semicolon or wrong punctuation mark. Missing or mismatching brackets or data type mismatch. Forgetting to import a package. Logical error. This kind of error occurs when the logic of the program is not correct. In this case, the program is compiled successfully but does not produce the desired results. Some of the most common logical errors are given below. Incorrect operator, absence of brackets in mathematical expressions when necessary, mismatching brackets in mathematical expressions is not same as wrong initialization of a variable. Example: if the counter is initialized to 1 instead of 0, the result will be erroneous. Runtime error. Runtime error occurs during the execution of a program due to some illegal operation performed in the program. Example: division by 0, memory full, device errors, etc. General programming in Java. Java programming by using assignment statement. Now that you know how to do basic programming in Java, let us write a program to add two integers, say 10 and 20, using assignment statement. To add two numbers by using assignment statement, class sum public static void main string args. Note, when a message is to be displayed along with a variable, they are separated with plus sign, which are called concatenation operators. In this program you can see that values 10 and 20 are assigned to variables a and b respectively. These values are added and stored into the variable c. System. Out. Println will display the result example 30 on the terminal window. You may try executing this program several times, but it will always display the same output. But if you want to add different numbers every time you run the program, the following method can be used. Remember, a group of statements enclosed within curly braces is called a block. B. Java programming by using function argument or Bluej method. Bluej method is one of the methods to accept the value from the user at the time of execution of the program. Let's write a program to add two integers by using Bluej method. To add two numbers by using Bluej method, class sum public static void main. int a, int b, int c, c, a plus b system. Out. Println addition is equal to plus c. Note: after compilation, right-click on the class icon for execution. Click on void main int a, int b, open from the menu, which will show you a method call window to input the values for the variables a and b. Type the values in the given space and click OK button. It will add those values and display the output on the terminal window. So, you can execute the program several times by giving different values to get different outputs. Solved programs. Program 1. Write a program in Java to find the sum and average of three numbers by using function argument or Bluej method. To find the sum and average of three numbers. Class examples. 1. Program 2. Write a Java program to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle where length and breadth are input. To find the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Class example 2. Program 3. Write a Java program to display volume of cube using function argument method. A program to find volume of cube. Class example 3. Program 4. Write a program in Java to find the simple interest and amount by using function argument when principal, interest and time are input. To find the simple interest and the amount. Class example 3. Control statements in Java. The programs we have created so far are called sequential programs, in which a group of instructions are executed one after another, without any condition checking or repetition. Sometimes during its process, a program may need to take decisions or repeat a portion of code. For this purpose, Java provides control statements that specify what has to be done by the program, when, and under what circumstances. The control statements are classified into two categories: selection statements. Selection statements help in selecting one alternative out of more than one options. The output or the result of the program depends on the statement selected by the computer based on the validity of the condition. Selection statements are also called decision-making statements, as the computer needs to take a decision while executing these statements. Selection is done by if, else, nested if, switch case statements. If-else statement. If-else statement is a conditional statement in Java in which either of the two actions is to be performed depending upon certain condition. If the condition is true, it performs one set of statements, otherwise, it performs another set of statements. Syntax. If, condition statement 1, else statement 2, example 1, write a Java program to accept marks in computer exam. If the marks are above 90, display, excellent, otherwise, work hard. Example 2, write a program to input two numbers and print the largest number. Example 3, write a program to input two numbers. If the first number is bigger than the second numbers, display the addition of these two numbers. Otherwise, display multiplication. Example 4, write a program in Java to input the name of a person. If the age is greater than or equal to 18 years of age, the program should display eligible to vote, otherwise display not eligible to vote. Recap Zone. Bluej project started in the year 1999 at Monash University. Java comment statements are non-executable statements used to provide information about the program. The process of detected errors in the program and correcting them is known as debugging. Selection statements help in selecting one alternative out of more than one option.